What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is the second day of Urbex this weekend for me. It's absolutely boiling. We're currently at a train graveyard and there's a lot here, guys. I'm very excited because I haven't done much train stuff before. Shouts out for Dan for showing us how to get here and stuff, and the walk, and shouts out to Helen Hollywood for finding the location. Both links will be down low in the description, but without further ado, guys, let's get into this video. The crew is currently off doing their own things, guys. I'm with Lee and John also, so their links will be down low in the description. We can't walk too far down there because there's a security office, but everything to see is up here. Obviously you can see there's only like one train, but it's got a lot of stuff. And what I'm going to do is, when we get off the land, I'm going to do some drone footage, so you've probably already seen it now. It goes really far, guys. I will cut it off at times. Apparently there was a bird carcass somewhere that the boys found. I don't know where it is. Maybe a bit dark, but as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous day. So with there being security, guys, obviously I gotta watch where I step, but as you can see, it goes pretty far that way and pretty far that way. There's a lot to see, like I said, hell of a lot to see. I'm not really good with my trains, as most of you probably know. The sweat, guys, is currently dripping off me, so you're going to be seeing much of my face today, but I suppose that's better for you guys. Oh, I don't know, it's a hard video to make, guys, because they're so far together, they're too close together, if that makes sense. So I don't know how this video is going to come out. Obviously old track. I'm hoping, guys, because I can't see on my camera screen, that this ain't going to be too sun glare for you. Just the chavvy trousers from Dan's video.
Not my fucking trousers, sir.
No, from your video. Because I watched it this morning, because I was sad enough to be up. I can't wait to get the drone up in here.
Don't mind telling me, it was pissing off me. You film then?
Yeah.
Hello. Right, go on, get past.
Cheers. I'm always filming, son. Next due, there's no time on it. Some great photo opportunities here as well, which I'm taking as I'm going along and doing the video and photos at the same time, like I normally do. And this one looks like it's been fire damaged. I'm pretty sure there should have been a roof and walls on this one. I don't know if you can see any, guys, but I thought I'd make it up time. You're gonna get a bird's, well, you've got a bird's eye view at the start of the video anyway. We're just coming along to Outpost 51. Link in the description. Oh Lee, the sweat's bucketing off me, son.
Me.
Find a Tesco's, I think, get a bottle of pop. As you can see guys, like I keep on saying, very hard to make a video here. Just because everything's just so close together. I think I can say we are currently in the Shire. That's all I can say. Because they're in an exact location. So guys, we're currently in the tunnel part. And it is quite dark, but you can see, so I don't need my light, so I can be really lazy, which is always good. There's not a lot to see anyway, it's just a lot of carts. There is light at the end of the tunnel. That thick fucker's around here somewhere, isn't he? Waiting to jump out on us. Right then guys, I'm going to join Jordan now. Climbing one-handed, I haven't done this in a while.
Right there.
It's just equipment gets heavier and heavier.
One hand, you right?
I'm alright. Just hold the camera for one. Turn it that way to show them. Cheers, here we go. Ah, look!
Yeah, fuck, don't drop it down there.
It's going to be upside down guys, but if I went in there, do you think you could lift me up?
Probably. Get you back out as long as you're tall enough.
Look at that view guys. Crazy. Post-apocalyptic as hell. Right then guys, pretty much the whole crew's on here. Dan's there somewhere. I'm going to end the video here with this amazing view. It was a great place to explore. Bit of a short video, but that's okay because you know, you guys just like the fact that I'm finally getting exploring videos up again. Thanks for the support recently, as always guys. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Obviously subscribe to all the guys if you haven't already, because all of their links will be down below in the description. I am changed my schedule, uploading Wednesday, and it's going to be streaming Friday to Sunday. I don't know what I'm going to do on Sunday yet, but Friday will just be chat and waffle as usual. And yeah, without further ado guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.